You are going to love the 2016 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.